Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication. So one, you can just start downloading the Google Factor Authentication, right? So you can download it from your App Store or Google Play. And secondly, you can just go back to your screen and then follow along the on-screen instruction by going to a Google browser, a Google account, and then in the navigation panel select security, and then you're gonna be able to see under the how you sign in into Google. If you scroll a little bit down, select the two-step verification, get started, and you're gonna be able to follow the on-screen steps. You can start login with a special code that's been given to you, and you can basically log in via your phone number confirmation. They send you like a code on your SMS, and then basically you're gonna add the SMS code to your Google, and then you're gonna be able to log in. So that's another layer of protection that Google provides for Google users to safely protect their account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.